Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and today's video about the JCB backhoe loader. You can see here is the warning light is appeared on the steering dashboard side, and you can see this dashboard near the key switch. This board is all the gauges are okay, machine in starting position, not any fault is appeared. So this is a very critical warning light. So I'm going to the engine side and will check what is the problem, why this warning is appearing. And so here you can see, first of all, I found this connector. This is the engine oil pressure sensor connector. Its wire is broken inside. So first of all, I repair this connector, and after it, I will check an other part. First, I will repair this connector. So here you can see I have fixed an other connector. Now my connector is I've repaired. So now I will fix it back to the oil pressure sensor, and after it I will check an other problem. So now my first problem has finished, you can see. So now I'm going to connect it back. Okay, so after inspection I found this problem. My engine oil pressure sensor connector was broken. Its wire actually broken inside the connector. So this one is a fix. Okay, so now further I will check the harness and other sensors completely, and after it I will check my machines. So here's during the inspection I have found another problem. Here you can see this connector wire has broken. Okay, so this connector is of the coolant temperature sensor. Here you can see this one is my coolant temperature sensor, and its connector's wire has broken. So now I'm going to repair this wire. Okay, so you can see I have repaired in off camera. I repaired this wire. So now I'm going to fix back this connector to the coolant temperature sensor. So viewers, actually during this warning machine not creating any problem, machine is working properly, but problem is that due to this warning there is a very bad sound is coming. So our operator is disturbed too much from this sound. When this warning coming, very bad sound is creating there inside the cabin, so our operator become disturbed. So therefore I am trying to diagnose this warning. So after it fixing this connector, I also will check other harness. Now the machine is on position. You can see this warning light. I will start the machine. So after starting the machine, you can see the problem has a finish. Okay, again off it. Again I will try to start. So I again start the machine. So you can see my problem has a finisher. So there was a problem. One was my engine oil pressure sensor connector was broken, or connector wire connecting wire was broken inside it. Okay. Secondly, now again you can see the machine is in starting position. I'm again off and on it. Now machine is on. So you can see after I will start the machine. So when machine is started, now my problem is finished. Okay, so problem was there was a two connector coolant temperature sensor, engine oil pressure sensors wire was broken. I repaired the wires and fixed both connectors back. Now my problem is finished. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your